Hi there. You're watching this video because someone sent you a sheet that looks a lot like this one, and I want to show you exactly how to use it so it's not confusing. First, make sure you're in the proper tab at the bottom here. If it doesn't have a date that connects with what date it is for you, make sure to find the correct one. Then, all you need to do is find a time that works for you. Your time zone should be over here, or if you need, this link should lead you to something that shows the difference between your time zone and your conversation partner's time zone. This is their time zone over here. So in this case, my time zone would be UTC -6, and this one is UTC, which is the time zone in Portugal. You'll also see the days of the week up here and the actual dates, just to make things even easier to process. So let's say we're trying to schedule something for the 3rd of April at 7 p.m., right here. You can't actually edit this side. You have to edit over here, right? That's why it says edit here, not here. So I'll just go to the right one. So we actually see row 18 is highlighted. So I can just do that and click here. And I'll just put in my initials. If you've already been a partner with this person, you might have a color. Otherwise, it might just be like this, which is also fine. It works just the same. Once you've put in some time, they will get an email notification to set up this time with a Google Meets call or some kind of video call. But that's everything you need to do to actually schedule a time. Just make sure that your time is correct here with the difference, because that's the hardest part about scheduling overseas is time zone stuff. But you just put in the times that you want to have a conversation on this side. Most people are totally fine with longer conversations. These are in 30-minute blocks that start at this time, right? So this is at 1 p.m. on the 4th. This is an American order, and this is in the European order, non-American order, which would be the 3rd of the 4th month. The 4th month, the 3rd day. Confusing, right? Anyways, the only other thing to note is that down here, all of the gray dates are dates the next calendar day. So let's say that you wanted to have a conversation with this person on Wednesday at 1 a.m., nice early in the morning. Your clock is actually going to say Thursday, the next calendar day, because it's 1 a.m., but you've been awake that Wednesday. So don't put on your calendar 1 a.m. on Wednesday, because it's actually 1 a.m. on Thursday, technically. So just keep that in mind, because it can be a little confusing, especially if you're in a very different time zone, like UTC +8, right, where the times are very different, and so you might be talking with somebody very, very early or very, very late. That's everything for this sheet. I'm leaving this video short. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, ask your conversation partner, and they should be able to help. All right, bye.